How well preserved was the plane?
Pretty much what you'd expect.
Brad, it was insane. It was like traveling through time.
No shit.
Well, it was like traveling through time and accidentally ending up in a dimension where the past is underwater and like everything is covered in barnacles and sharks.
Sharks?
It was a great reef.
Ah.
Hey, I thought it was pretty intense.
Wasn't Conrad gonna get us some more beers after he helped Fliss?
Maybe he decided, hey, I'll drink some, and then he got drunk. And since he was drunk, he forgot to bring it to us. And he just kept on drinking, and he drank all of it.
Sounds like you've had some experience with this kind of phenomenon.
Yeah, I've been studying it for years.
I'll go look for him.
Oh, we found a bullet lodged in the plane.
Huh.
I left it below deck if you want to check it out. Alex, you're like an open book with a 50-point font. I can read you from a mile away. Something's up.
It's nothing. Fine.
Bullshit. You're like Monsignor Mopington over here.
Oh yeah. This is definitely, without a doubt, anti-aircraft caliber heat right here.
I mean, yeah, kind of. I think so.
You think so? Or you know so?
To be honest, I've been kind of wondering about it.
Man overboard! Man overboard!
What? What?
Alex went over the edge, into the drink. Oh God, it's horrible. Oh, the humanity!
What the fuck?
Oh man, you guys should see your faces.
That is not a cool thing to do.
Yeah, sorry. Didn't mean to interrupt.
Oh, yeah, the beers. I was just getting them now.
And Conrad and Bliss. What is going on down here?
Nothing to worry about, sis. Just getting them beers.
All right, now that everybody's here, let's take a look at the navigator's pad we found. Maybe we can figure out why the plane was out here.
Where'd you put it?
It's in your case.
Okay, I'll go get it.
Hey.
Alex! Holy crap! Were you guys, like, in the plane when it broke?
Ooh, got out in the nick of time. Skin of our teeth. Well, our skin was almost in a shark's teeth.
What?
Yeah, didn't I tell you there are sharks around here?
No.
Most of them aren't dangerous.
Oh, yeah, the friendly sharks. How do you think the day went?
Other than our little tete-a-tete with the locals, pretty good. People always say they have dive experience, but Alex and Julia seem to actually know what they're doing.
So, we're going again tomorrow?
Sign me up. Can't wait to see this sucker for myself.
I'm gonna go find Julia.
Radder for Brayson Lee. You got a girlfriend?
Yeah, I do. Well, I mean, I did. Broke up with her, though. Just too much to handle. Women, right?
Yeah, women. They exist. You're correct.
They definitely exist. Especially the one you just broke up with. That one, for sure.
What about you? Are you, with anybody?
What happened before? That's not really your business, Brad.
Right here.
Hey, whoa there, sailor.
Excuse me?
Careful. If you did decompress too fast, then you should go easy on the beer.
Alex, I'm fine. I think if I got the bends, I would know by now.
Not always. Sometimes the bends can be super delayed. It could be hours or a day or two.
The bends?
Yeah, it's, when you come up from a dive too fast.
Oh, yeah, decompression sickness.
Nerd.
Little nitrogen bubbles that get stuck in your bloodstream.
Hurts like a bitch.
It's really serious. Divers get sick and die from decompression sickness every year.
And that is why the good Dr. Conrad says drink them if you got them, because either you're fine or you're gonna want a little something to ease the pain.
Julia, I'm telling you not to drink any alcohol right now.
Oh, come on. Telling you? take orders from this guy. Just drink a beer.
Beer o'clock.
All right, everyone, check it out. Manchurian gold. Who wants to find some sunken treasure? So what do you think, Captain? Coordinates?
Those are coordinates, all right.
Maybe the plane's destination?
You think we could get there by tomorrow?
It takes a couple hours if the weather stays steady.
Wow. You find anything else?
There was a flight plan on board that seemed to indicate it was a rescue plane.
Yeah, that makes sense. After the war, they turned long-range bombers into rescue planes.
And then this plane must have been shot down because it was riddled with bullet holes. I found one lodged in the fuselage.
Huh.
And it was full of life rafts. Must have gotten shot down before they could deliver all the rafts. There was only one missing.
Reckless, all of you.
Excuse me?
I told you to leave everything down there alone.
Oh, come on. We've been through this already.
I'm not talking about the law.
No, hey, they were respectful.
No, you did whatever you wanted. Whatever you took, it was too much.
Oh, come on. No one knows we've even been down there. And I don't think ghosts can talk.
You Americans are all the same, huh? No respect for anyone else's traditions. You should have never gone down to that plane in the first place. It's bad luck. You think you can scavenge down there and it makes no difference, but every single thing you bring back has an essence. It's like a ghost you invite to the surface.
Here we go.
Huh. I never thought about it like that.
You never think about much of anything.
Well, maybe I never heard about such cool ghost stories.
They're not cool ghost stories. Not like for fun. People drown in these waters and you have to respect their resting place.
Damn straight. Brad, you got a fun ghost story, right?
Yeah, I heard a story. Happened right around here, too.
Let's hear it. We could all use a good show.
Let's hear it. I bet you can spin a good yarn.
It's kind of messed up, actually.
Scare away, little bro.
Okay, here goes. This story is true. It had happened right near here, in an old lighthouse.
Classic setup.
Wait, true story? Where'd you hear this?
Ah, well, down by the dockside, I found an ancient old man, skin like a leather book, eye patch, wooden leg, the whole 9 yards. And for $1, he told me his secrets.
Seems legit.
The lighthouse stood atop an atoll, isolated from the rest of the world, a lone beacon in the night, a sailor's respite. The lighthouse keeper would hear the waves pounding the rocky shore. One misty morning, he comes upon a woman, covered in blood. She's stumbling down the beach. He hurries to her aid, and she falls into his arms, sobbing. As he hurries her back to the lighthouse, he asks where she's from.
He doesn't waste any time. Smooth.
The woman answers, I live here, in the lighthouse. My parents are upstairs right now.
Twist.
Of course, the lighthouse keeper says, that isn't so. Of course, he's lived there alone for years. And the woman becomes hysterical and insists her parents are upstairs. So, they go to the top of the lighthouse, and there, splayed out on the floor, is a man and a woman brutally murdered with an axe.
Always an axe. I mean, do people even use axes anymore?
I'm just reporting the facts, cliches and all. Chopped up into little tiny giblets with an axe.
So gross.
Okay, so who did it?
The woman says, it was my brother. And she turns to the closet and says, he's hiding in there.
Oh, great. Blame the brother.
So the lighthouse keeper creeps over to the closet, opens the door, and sure enough, there's a man inside. But he's cut his own throat. Horrified, he looks closer to see the dead man's face in the dark. Closer. Closer. And he sees it's his own face. And then its eyes bulge out and screams.
Yeah, so gross.
Horrible.
Hey-oh, super twist.
Nice.
Nice one, Squire.
Oh, come on. That wasn't scary.
Heavy on the cheese there, corn dog.
Okay, you've all had your fun. We should all turn in. There's some weather hitting our way.
No, because according to standard vessel regulation, we're all required one more beer before hitting the hay.
What regulations are these?
It's standard issue regulatory institutional protocol subdivision 1099.
Uh-huh. Where'd you read that?
The internet.
Oh, so you found a website that tells you to drink beer under every circumstance.
I'm just following orders, ma'am.
I'm into this website.
10-4, good buddy.
And I'm out.
Hey! Damn it! Stop it!
Almost free.
Hey, so, good news, bad news.
Bad news? I don't see how this could get any worse.
The bad news is these are kind of maybe the fishermen I pissed off earlier.
Oh, God damn it, Conrad.
Great, just great. And the good news?
I recognize them.
How is that good news?
I thought you were gonna ask the good news first.
You're such an idiot, Jesus.
Hey,
Alex, what are they gonna do to us?
don't worry. If they were gonna kill us, they would have done it already.
I'm not just worried about being killed.
You're the little lady.
What's happening? Can you see it?
They're, just asking Conrad some questions. We gotta get out of here. What are they talking about?
Who gives a fuck? I'm gonna kill every one of them.
We can't just blindly attack them. We need a plan that can take them all out at once.
We need to get free. First things first. Oh, I got it. Yes. Always pack a good cuticle clipper.
Julia, we're coming back.
Oh, Jesus, Conrad. Why didn't you tell me? Wait, no! Alex!
Stop it! Let her go!
You bastards!
Hey. Dipstick. Shut the fuck up.
Hey, dollars to donuts, it'll be Fliss and Julia breaking heads. Not the other way around.
Fliss sure seems to be getting buddy-buddy with him. Did you see my brother?
No. But I'm sure he's fine. These guys probably just want money or something.
All right. Turn around. Don't let them see your hands. Once we get Julia back, maybe we could take them by surprise. Okay, they're coming.
Fuck. Motherfuckers.
Hey, are you okay? What did they do to you?
I'm fine. They didn't touch me. They asked about our parents,
What?
how much money they have. Now we just have to wait and see what they want to do with us.
Seconds. The storm's 8 miles away.
They came here on a boat. Maybe we can take it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a speedboat.
The main guy, he's got a gun.
If we play our cards right, we can catch them by surprise, take them out.
We should just rush them. Take the gun. They can try to fight back, but if we had the gun, they'd be forced to surrender. 7 seconds. I can get out through the window. We gotta break these off first.
Too loud. They'll hear it.
We're gonna break them during the thunder.
Good call.
I climb out the window, climb around the side, and hit them from there.
We'll take them from the other side. Don't leave us here, okay? Okay, let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dude, can't you count? What were you thinking?
What the hell, guys? Conrad, go to the other side. We'll hit them together.
Shit!
Here!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't want to hurt you. Stay back. Keep your eyes open.
Let it go. Now!
Alex, this is crazy.
You win.
Bring them downstairs. Take this. Use it if you have to.
Sit down. Over there. You, right here. Sit. Now.
Arrêtez, bande de cons! C'est mon bateau! Stop!
Ferme-la, ou je te mets mon poing dans la gueule. Olsen! Come here!
Which one of you is gonna tell me about this Manchurian gold?
Hey, Conrad. You gave it your best shot.
All right. Shut the fuck up!
Oh, give me a break with that gangster shit.
I don't think you fully comprehend the severity of your situation, sister.
Hey, come on. We're just passing time. No big deal.
Keep quiet. Captain says shut your mouth. You shut your mouth. Sit still, all of you.
You, come with me.
Hey, leave her alone.
No. Ain't talking to you.
Just, please, take the gun off of us. It's making everybody nervous, and nervous people do stupid things. You don't want blood on your hands, do you?
What the hell is going on, Alex?
Julia, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, but it seems very possible nothing else is.
And? What do you want?
Listen, I know things just got out of hand for you guys. We're all in the same boat. I mean, this can't be normal for you either, right?
Not looking to hurt nobody. Just need money. But now, my brother's got his eyes on that gold.
I guess. Anyone know about Brad? Is he hiding somewhere?
I don't know where he is.
We can't leave him down there. He could drown.
Brad stays hidden. Better off down there than with these psychos.
Fliss is right. No way we risk it. He could drown.
Brad's a big boy. He'll be okay. And it's probably better for us if he stays put for now.
Everyone's still alive. Things could have been quite different. Kind-hearted creature I am, I'd like to offer you some forewarning of what's to come. Tempted? You're going it alone. Independent. Admirable. Possibly foolish. We'll learn soon enough. Anyway, now that you've reached a point of significant distress, I presume you're eager to get back to your story. But here's a thing. Everything may not be entirely as it seems. Probably shouldn't have said that.